Here's the all-new DJI Neo 2, and today on GadgetVerse, I'm giving you my honest, real-world experience after thoroughly testing this tiny, but seriously impressive micro-drone, from wind performance to tracking, gesture control, new camera upgrades, and everything in between. The Neo 2 brings some major improvements that genuinely surprised me. Let's get into what makes this upgrade so exciting. The original Neo gained a huge following because of how fun, versatile, and beginner-friendly it was. You could control it with your phone, gestures, voice commands, FPV goggles, or even launch it with a tap of the button on the body. DJI kept everything that made the first model special, but upgraded almost every limitation it had. The biggest change comes in the camera system. The Neo 2 now features a redesigned dual-axis gimbal paired with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 12-megapixel photos in 4K, video up to 100 fps, YE's 4K slow motion on a micro-drone. The footage looks cleaner, more stable, and more detailed than the original Neo. The extra stabilization definitely helps, though in extremely windy conditions, you might still notice slight movement because this drone is incredibly small and light. However, don't let its size fool you. The Neo 2 handles wind far better than expected. In gusts of around 30 kilometers per hour, this thing held its position confidently. DJI upgraded this drone to withstand level 5 wind, which gives you more freedom to fly over open water and exposed places without stress. It's still a loud little drone, especially when fighting wind, but the improved stability more than makes up for it next. Let's talk about what might be my favorite upgrade: Omni-directional obstacle avoidance. This is huge for a drone of this size. With sensors covering the front, back, top, and underside, the Neo 2 finally feels safe to use in tight spaces and during follow-me modes. I ran it through a tracking gauntlet, trees, branches, obstacles, and it performed impressively well. With just one minor hiccup flying backwards near a tree, part of that may be due to the transceiver module attached to the back, which you need if you want to use any controllers. The Fly More combo includes it pre-installed, and it boosts range significantly. I never experienced a dropout. The signal remained rock solid throughout my testing. One of the coolest additions is the front display. It's not just for looks, it adds real functionality. You now have arrow buttons to scroll through modes and adjust settings directly on the drone without needing your phone or controller. In follow mode, for example, you can pick the angle, distance, and height you want the Neo 2 to track you from. It's simple and intuitive. And then there are the gesture controls. DJI has taken a feature that used to feel like a gimmick and turned it into something genuinely useful. You can put the drone into follow mode, hold up your palm, move it around you in any direction, up, down, left, right, closer, farther. Lower your palm and it locks on to your new position and continues following. It's shockingly smooth and accurate, and the new color-coded light on the front makes it easy to understand what mode the drone is in at any moment. There's even a new palm landing feature, which works consistently well and gives a lot of confidence when flying without a controller. Add in the improved speaker with louder cues, and the whole experience feels much more polished. Smart-selfie mode is another win. The drone captures multiple shots at different distances, wide, mid, and close, complete with audio and light prompts. It's perfect for family photos and quick travel shots. With the upgraded follow speed of 12 meters per second, the Neo 2 keeps up better while biking, running, or tracking moving subjects. Internal storage has been bumped up to 49 gigabytes, which is a huge plus for a drone this compact, despite all the upgrades. The weight remains just 151 grams, still safely under the 250 grams limit in many countries. This makes the Neo 2 perfect for beginners, travelers, vloggers, or professionals who want a reliable mini-drone for tight spaces and quick shots. If there's one thing I wish DJI included in the Fly More combo, it's a carry bag, but that's a small complaint for what is otherwise a fantastic upgrade overall. The DJI Neo 2 is a big step forward. Whether you're upgrading from the original Neo or buying your first drone, this is an incredibly fun, capable, and confidence-boosting little machine. DJI has improved the features that matter: camera, tracking, wind resistance, storage, and obstacle avoidance while keeping it compact and beginner-friendly. The micro-drone space is getting competitive, but the Neo 2 stands out in a big way. Thanks for watching GadgetVerse, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.